And we're going to start to literally just bunch them together. And then I'm going to take my hand almost like a claw, and it's going to hold on to all the hair. Now I'm quite happy to have some of these little pieces just dangling down. So if you wanted to tuck them in, you definitely can, but I want to keep this really nice and soft. So I'm going to come in and literally catch on to the hair like so. From here, I'm going to take my needle. And with my needle, I'm going to come in, and the great thing about this is, remember, the needle has a ball on the end. And the reason that this is great is because you can get straight through and you can actually touch the scalp so that you're going to get it as secure as possible. So straight through, catch the scalp, come out around about 3 centimeters and bring the thread through. Now remember, you've got at the other end, you've got this really nice little loop. This is really, really important part, because this is what's going to get you stitched on and make the actual cotton really nice and secure to work with. So we're going to go through that, and now we're in. So once we're in, we're now going to work on a blanket stitch method. So what I'm going to do, and remember my hand is staying nice and secure, I'm going to come through, touch the scalp, come across, and this time you're going to loop it through the other side. So what you're doing is you're creating a blanket stitch. One thing to be really aware of is you've got to make sure that you get the tension. So make sure you've got the tension in that hair. So now what I'm going to do is just keep carrying on, and I'm just going to drag this down, come through. The thread goes over the needle every single time. And I'm trying to find all, and you can feel it, you're actually finding all the weak areas to stitch into. So I'm coming back over to here.